Delighted to get this one back in again. This one that we supplied back in June 2024. What a gorgeous, gorgeous car it is. Absolutely beautiful. 200 car now. Around £2,000 worth of factory options. It's got the comfort pack. It's got the cruise control. The double M-spoke alloy wheels. Other options are listed on the website. It is absolutely beautiful with just 33,000 miles. BMW X1 1.8D M Sport XDrive, 4 XDrive, 4-wheel drive. Alpine white, 2016 on a 16 plate, 9 services. It is beautiful all the way around. It really is. Shows an example. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how nice this car is. Great value for money. Factory tailgate. Great size boot on these. Split folding rear seats, 3-load facility. Lovely and clean, not been abused, knocked about. And look at that. Tons of storage there, additional storage. Or you can take that out if you're going to carry something a little bit higher. Or the loading area, lovely and clean, not been knocked about. Rear parking sensors. Nice contrast with the anthracite and the white. Beautiful all the way around. Bodywork's fantastic. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere on the vehicle. We had these wheels refurbished last time when we sold it. And again, they're in very, very good condition. A couple of them got tiny little nicks on them, but nothing major at all whatsoever. Matching Bridgestone tyres all the way around. All in very, very good condition. All down the sides. Lovely and clean. XDrive 1.8D. Nice bit of M Sport badge there. Close up with the near side wheel. Again, you can see overall very, very nice. Just a tiny little mark there. Again, the tyre, great condition all across the front. Lovely and clean. And this is why we do the full close-up videos. Some customers don't even look at some of these things as close as we show you now. So at least you're getting a good idea of the vehicle all across the front. You might see the odd tiny stone chip due to the age and the mileage. However, there's nothing, no scrapes, no damage. And when we say we buy nice cars, that's what it's all about. We buy nice cars, of course we sell nice cars. So the driver's wheel, again, beautiful condition. See the tyre there, all down the sides. No ripples, effects, dents, scrapes. And of course the final wheel. And the final tyre. Show you inside it. All the trims, again, great condition, no damage. All the entry points. Tons of legroom there. All the headlining. All the upholstery. Central armrest drops down. Couple of nifty cup holders there, bit of storage under there. Nice attention to detail there. Non-smoker's car. All lovely and clean. Driver's door. Again, all the entrance. Sport seats. All in great, great condition. No undue wear. Central armrest. Keyless start. 3,392 is the mileage. That's all it's done. Amazingly low mileage. 2016 vehicle. Great sound system. Got the navigation screen there. parking sensors, full menu, all controlled from the module there. Very straightforward, very easy. Just take you through some of the menu on there. All very easy to navigate through. Change the stereo exactly how you want to listen to it. Radio, DAB radio of course. Bluetooth phone connection. Navigation. Contacts, ConnectedDrive. Various settings on there. All nice and easy, very clear. Of course, you've also got various driving modes: sport, comfort, eco. Get exactly how you want to drive the car. Stereo, CD, all controlled from there. Dual zone climate control. Heated seats. Position there. Drive mode is selected down here. There's the menu on there. Cup holders there. Cruise control, speed limiter, which was an option on this vehicle. Very stereo functions on there. All nice, straightforward, very clear. Two sets of keys, of course, and the complete book pack. An incredible mileage of just 33. 2-owner car, 9 services. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. Click and reserve, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details how that operates. Additional charges do apply for home delivery, but we do make it very competitive. If you want it delivered on your doorstep, you don't want to come out to Stoke-on-Trent, and we can happily arrange it to be delivered on your doorstep. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you reserve the car, come and collect, and you feel it's not as described, we'll refund the deposit, no questions asked. We never have to do that because we describe our cars correctly with the videos and the information, so you're not second guessing anything. Specialist Cars established since 1997, that's 28 years. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews. Let's see why customers come back to us time and time again. Just as like this gentleman here, he's had 3 cars off us now. Simple as that. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday. Please feel free to give us a call. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Our phone number again, if you want to know any further information, is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.